So I am Lance Hall with Sunflower Orchards, and it is a beautiful day for apple picking today. We started planting apple trees 8 years ago with the idea that people need a place to pick apples. There was no orchard in Miami County at the time. So we're moving to the east side of the orchard where we've planted dwarf apple trees. And the dwarf apple trees are great for kids to pick. The trees will be left at about 8 feet tall at the maximum, and that allows kids to pick almost all of the apples. These are red Fuji trees, and Fujis are late apples. They're extremely juicy, crunchy, sweet apples that eat well fresh and also make great pies. They are considered an all-purpose apple. So what we like to see are the kids picking the apples. We have a lot of families that come out and pick, and sometimes seeing that makes all of the work worth the effort. This is the second day of the Fall Farm Tour, and there has been great participation this year. We've had hundreds of people out here picking apples at the orchard. Lots and lots of families and children picking apples. It's been a lot of fun. So there are bees that pollinate these trees, and they actually are from Minnesota. We like the fact that the bees come down here to spend the winter to get a warm home, and in return the bees give us pollination for the trees in the springtime, and also it benefits the bees because when they are picked up and brought back to Minnesota, the hives are just filled with thousands of bees. And anything we can do to help our honeybee populations is a great thing.
the Timber View Farm. My name is Harry, and I'm checking out the alpacas, and I love MCTV Live.